Earthquakes, blackouts, storms. What happens to mission-critical operations when the power goes out? When outages aren't an option, generator or battery backup power kicks in. But how reliable is it? That's why VCC engineers developed a direct incandescent replacement for emergency and beacon lighting. Designed with special circuit topology, the bulb works seamlessly in AC or DC environments, switching from the grid to the generator with ease. Incandescents burn out in only 1,000 hours. You can count on VCC's utility LED for 50,000 hours. With an E26 base and an A21 shape, upgrading to LEDs requires no tools or throwaway parts. With 50,000 hours of operating life, there's no downtime for maintenance or bulb replacement. VCC's AC/DC utility LED is IP61 rated to withstand severe conditions commonly found in emergency situations. When losing power isn't an option, choose the dual-action LED designed to shine when all else fails. Learn more about VCC's AC/DC utility LED bulb at vcclight.com.